So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and now you want to click on Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, then you want to click on CM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. And now hopefully this would have fixed your problem. If not, that's fine. We're going to click on Advanced Options. Now for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Now we're going to go with System Restore. If you have any restore points enabled on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. Now for the last method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once you complete that scan, you now want to type in chkdsk /f /r C:. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. This scan's going to take a while, so I'm just going to end the video right here. It's going to be taking 16 minutes. So I'm going to get off this scan, but in your case, you want to fully complete this whole scan. Once you fully complete this scan, you now want to close out of Command Prompt, continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.